Thanks for calling Tim's Real Estate. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for consultation.
Of course. May I have your name, please? And could you let me know your preferred day and time for the consultation?
My name is John, and I want to make an appointment for Tuesday, August 11th at 1 p.m.
Thank you, John. I'll check the availability for Tuesday, August 11th at 1 p.m. and follow up with you to confirm the appointment. Could you please provide a phone number or email for the follow-up?
My email is 50klegends@gmail.com.
Thank you, John. I'll follow up with you at your email address to confirm the appointment. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that is all.
Great. Thank you for calling Tim's Real Estate. John, have a wonderful day.
Hello, thanks for calling Tim's Real Estate. How can I help you? That is not me. That is not a receptionist. That is an AI agent I built in about 15 minutes, and by the end of this call, it booked a real appointment straight onto my Google Calendar. Flash calendar event on screen. No code, no developers, and you can build the exact same thing today. In this video, I'll walk you through it click by click. This is part 4 of the SureThing series. Back in the first video, we built the email agent that replies to leads and books appointments, and that's where I covered the full Google Calendar setup. So I won't repeat it here. If you're new to this series, the links are below in the description. The big picture is this: we're building your entire agency piece by piece. Email automation and booking is done. Today we add the inbound call answering and booking agent. Head into the Success Coach chat box and type, "Can you build for me an inbound phone answering agent that also books schedules?" The Success Coach comes back and confirms exactly what it plans to build. Read through the details, and if everything matches what you want, click Looks Right. Set up my agent. Tell the Success Coach to update the greeting so the agent answers with, "Hello, thanks for calling Tim's Real Estate. How can I help you?" Obviously, swap in your own business name here. The coach updates the plan and asks for your approval. Approve it, scroll back up, and click Create. The agent is now created, and the Success Coach asks for permission to connect ElevenLabs. That's the voice engine, the reason this thing sounds human. Then it asks you to paste in your ElevenLabs API key. Don't have one? It's free. Go to Google and search how to get free ElevenLabs API key, then register for ElevenLabs using your Google account. Once you're inside, open the drop-down menu at the top left, find the API key section, and go down to API keys on the left. Click onto Create Key and name your key and set the Expire After to Never. Click Create Key one more time on the bottom right corner. Copy your key and paste it into the Success Coach. Now here's the one snag that trips everyone up, so watch closely. The Success Coach will tell you something like this. In your ElevenLabs account, under API key settings, the key needs Conversational AI read and write permissions enabled. So go back to the ElevenLabs API key section, click the 3-dotted icon, go into Edit, scroll down to 11 agents, set it to write, and click Save Changes. Then hop back to SureThing and simply type Continue. The coach picks the setup right back up. Next, the Success Coach tells you the agent needs a phone number. That's where Twilio comes in. Go to Twilio.com and register for a free trial account, which gives you $15.50 in credit. A US local number runs about $1 a month plus per minute usage, so that trial credit covers plenty of testing. In the Twilio console, go to Phone Numbers, then Manage, then by a number. Filter for voice capability, and pick a local or toll-free number. Now you need two values from your account. At the top right, click Admin, then Account Management. On the left side, go to API Keys and Tokens, scroll all the way down to Live Credentials, and there they are. Your account SID and your auth token. Copy your new phone number, your account SID, and your auth token, paste all three into the Success Coach chat box, and fire away. And just like that, your agent is live. One honest note before you celebrate. The phone number can't take real calls until you upgrade off the Twilio trial to a paid tier. The cheapest plan is around $20 a month, and that's all you need to go live. Moment of truth. Grab your phone and call the number you just bought.
Thanks for calling Tim's Real Estate. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for consultation.
Of course. May I have your name, please? And could you let me know your preferred day and time for the consultation?
My name is John, and I want to make an appointment for Tuesday, August 11th at 1 p.m.
Thank you, John. I'll check the availability for Tuesday, August 11th at 1 p.m. and follow up with you to confirm the appointment. Could you please provide a phone number or email for the follow-up?
My email is 50klegends@gmail.com.
Thank you, John. I'll follow up with you at your email address to confirm the appointment. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Nope, that is all.
Great. Thank you for calling Tim's Real Estate. John, have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Now open Google Calendar. There it is. The exact time and date I asked for, booked by a phone call I never had to answer. So think about what you have if you followed both videos: an email agent that replies to leads and books appointments, a phone agent that answers calls and books appointments, both feeding the same calendar. And back in the first video, I also covered reaching out to cold leads on social media, so you've got the front end of the funnel too. A human inside sales agent costs around $50,000 a year. This whole stack costs less than a dinner out each month. If you build this, I want to hear about it. Drop a comment and tell me, did it work for you? What was hard? What was easy? And if you found a better way to set it up, share it, because this community builds in public. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.